I want to give you the most powerful wealth creation hack there is. And if you just learn this, you're going to shortcut your way to whatever results you want out of life by 10 times. And here's how it works. Unfortunately, a lot of individuals, a lot of engineers, they want to create an income source and their focus is on creating a side hustle or some sort of income that can replace their job. No, that's all great. And of course, you need to do that. But focusing on just creating a side hustle makes you fall for vehicles or opportunities that are not very optimal. Let me explain. Let's say that you own a piece of software, an app, a web app, or just a website that is generating $10,000 a month, right? Some sort of software. And $10,000 a month is a decent revenue for you to potentially become independent depending on where you are when it comes to your job and the current level that you're earning at. But let's say $10,000 a month is a side income for you that allows you to become independent. Now, this is all great, but what most people miss is that if your software is generating $10,000 a month, $120,000 per year, right? That would be $120,000 a year projected revenue for this piece of software. That means that the valuation of your software, meaning that if you want to sell this piece of software or business or vehicle that you've created to someone else, then you can sell it for anything between $800,000 to $1.2 million. And that's where real wealth is created. So if you focus on wealth creation while building your vehicle, and I have given you my recommended vehicles in this program. If you haven't watched those modules, go back and watch them inside the community or depending on where you watch this video. Then you need to keep in mind that by picking the right vehicle, not only you're generating yourself a decent amount of income that allows you to become independent and have the security of a job that you want to become free, but also you're building an asset that gives you the security that you need to become fully independent. Now, of course, I've given you some of the good vehicles like a software business or a community in the previous modules. And I've told you about some poor vehicles that you should completely avoid, like drop shipping and trading and stuff, right? Because those are not vehicles that will get you to this wealth creation milestone. So the vehicle that you pick not only needs to generate you an income, but it needs to also become valuable and it needs to increase in value. So potentially you can have an exit and build wealth for you and for your family. This is a non-negotiable. Do not invest your time in vehicles that are short-term, that are money grab, because you're not going to be building an asset that you can sell for 6, 7, or sometimes 8 figures. This by far has been the most mind-blowing and life-changing concept for all the engineers and the individuals that I work with. And if you ignore this, I promise you that you're going to pay the price for it by not having an asset that you can sell for a lot of money. So even if you become independent through building a side hustle or a side income, because your side hustle or the vehicle that you've invested in is not valuable itself, then you're going to leave a lot of money on the table. So even if your vehicle is generating a few $100,000 a year for you, if you can't sell it for $1 million, or around that number, then you literally left $1 million on the table. That's what your vehicle generates in 5 to 10 years. I know it's crazy and you need to pay attention to this. Now, if you're interested in building a vehicle that checks all the boxes, then you can book a call, link below this video, join our community, ask questions. I've helped a lot of engineers build vehicles and create wealth by doing this, and I can do the same thing for you. Again, I've given you my recommendations, but if you want to pick one of those vehicles and implement it in a way that gets you to numbers like this very quickly, then make sure to book a call and we will give you an implementation plan. It's completely free and you can do it that way with our help so you can save yourself from a bunch of mistakes and get there faster and easier. And of course, pick your copy of the Engineer Freedom Blueprint. In this book, I also walk you through the entire thing. And you would be able to set yourself free and become independent in a safe way by owning an asset that you can sell for a lot of money. So basically, that's it. This is super, super important. Depending on where you watch this video, leave a comment below or discuss in the community and love to hear your thoughts. and ideas. And if you need any help, again, make sure that you book a call or join our community, and we will help you achieve this in a very, very short time. So that's it. And I'll be seeing you in the next one.